Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to another video. Today I have an exciting video for you all. The content is quite viral these days. Jelly tint is trending a lot. I thought, why not order it and make a video to see if the product is worth buying or not. I got it at a very affordable price from Daraz. It's available on Daraz, and I checked many websites and Instagram too. It was quite expensive there. This is a pink makeup blush that's going viral. So I ordered it at a very affordable price of 599 PKR. It's available at different prices on Daraz, so you can check it out. It smells just like jelly and has a soft, jelly-like texture. It was available in 4 colors and I chose the one I liked. Let's apply it and see how the color looks. It's also long-lasting and doesn't come off easily. Before applying, remember to use it carefully. It's very affordable, so if you want to try it, you can buy it from Daraz. It's a good tint and provides a natural look. The only issue is that it doesn't blend well. It stays where you apply it. So apply it lightly and blend it gently with soft hands, as it doesn't blend after applying. This is the only issue I found. Otherwise, the jelly tint is great and offers good value for the price. You can buy it from Daraz. This is an excellent product for daily use and is approximately 50% cheaper than similar products in the market. After application, some of them do not blend well and appear slightly visible on the face and does not blend easily. However, overall, it provides a great natural look and has a gel-like texture. You can comfortably purchase it. If you like this video, please make sure to like and share it. Until then, goodbye.